Hey guys, it's me Shan. So I'm using this keyboard, this Aula Wings of Liberty RGB. Okay, what I'm going to do is I just want to replace this W key, the W switch to some other switch which I don't use here. So as you see why I want to replace this one, because it's too sensitive. You see? You see? I don't even press. I just put my fingers on it and then automatically will type the rest of the key. Like if you see, let me delete this one, you can see again. You see, I don't even what put the pressure on it, just like this. You see, if the rest of the key I must press like this. If I press softly like this, it's nothing happen. I must press, I must put the pressure on it. See, okay, and remove. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then maybe these two of this one. I'm not sure. They got screw inside. Let me check first. I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether under this one got screw or not. I feel like they got one screw here. Maybe. Let me check first. And yeah, this is after I remove all the keycaps. No, I didn't remove this one because they got some kind of lock key inside. As you can see, let me check. You see, they got some kind of holder inside. So I'm not sure how to remove or install it back. So I just leave that one just like that. So after I remove the keys, I found they got one screw here. So maybe after I remove this one, I need to check. Oh, yeah, and yeah, I just remove all the key, all the screws behind. So let me check. Okay guys, let's continue with this one, because last time when I plug out this switch, I accidentally, you can see I accidentally break this leg of the switch. So what I do is I order free of this switch. This is the black switch, Outemu black switch. So I got to put the link on the description. I bought the 10 pieces of switch around Malaysian ringgit, 20 ringgit, including the postage is 25. Okay, let's continue with this one. So what I'm going to do is, I found out that this switch is, I don't know what brand switch is this. So, because this switch don't have any label or any brand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this WASD, because this 4 switch I always use for playing game. So I'm going to replace all of these 4 switches. Okay, I'm going to put some wax on it. Okay, and then I'm going to solder it. First I'm going to test whether it's working or not. And yeah guys, it's working. As you can see the W key. Okay, and yeah guys, now I bought this. Sorry, sorry. I bought this sucker because the day I tried to do manually without the sucker, because it's quite hard. You must use the sucker. Okay guys, somehow I managed to remove that switch. This is the switch I removed just now. I'll go with the S key now. Yeah. Right. Next, this D key. I don't know what's going on. Let me check. No, this is. Okay. I should. Right. There you go. So. Oh, sorry. Didn't show you. So just take this key. You can see the leg, little leg, and then you can see two holes there. So just put it correctly on this hole. Pretty simple, you know. Yeah, that's all. Then you can hear the clicking sound, click, and then yeah, you can see the one. So I put the wax. And I'm sorry guys, I'm not so good in this soldering things. This is my first time doing this one. So now it's time to testing, and let's test. See, it's A, it's working, and then the S key, S is working, and then the D key, D is working, and the W key, W is working. You see, that's all guys. It's so simple. And then I'm so sorry because of my language and everything. So please, if you like this video, please do follow me. So, if you like this video and if it's helpful, please do subscribe my channel, and then please do like my videos. Thank you guys.